Hello and welcome to How Does It Work? Today we will be looking at the My Life as Animal Rescue Jeep, which is a Jeep Wrangler. Um, so I'm going to show you guys that it works. You see, there goes the remote control um, and the stretcher that goes along with it. I'm going to also go into detail as far as um, what it's capable of, showing you that it moves, the lighting, and also whatever else that you may have some concerns about. It's 2.4 gigahertz as far as the control is. It's for the 18-inch dolls. It also has a USB charged lithium battery. So I will show you guys that after a while. So let's get into it. All right, here's the vehicle. The stickers that came with it, it has, as you can see, they're on it. They're on it. They got designed by my daughter, so forgive her for that. Um, the inside of it also showing you that the doors, they can open and close. The windows can flap down. I mean, the windshield can flap up and down. The other door, get that, show you that it works. So it flaps, closes, open and closes. Underneath is where, inside of here is a UBS port where you can charge your battery inside there. And your remote has AA batteries that goes in here as well, so to go along with that. The stretcher, the tape, well, not tape, sticker is damaged. It's torn off of it. It had Animal Rescue on it, so it's tore up. So just want to show you that now. Let's crank this bad baby up and show you guys what all she can do. Alright, here we go. I'm going to show you guys. Turn on start. As you can hear, purring like a kitten. See right, this is your horn. Alright, now let's take it for a little spin. As you can see, the lights, when it goes, it comes on. And this is your forward and backwards. And then over here is your turn, your left and right. So I'm gonna turn the wheels. It doesn't turn the wheel much. That's as far as turns. That's the only thing I hate about it. It doesn't give a good turn, but it will go. I don't have that much space in here, but just wanted to show you guys that it works. And like I said, the stickers are already on it. It's been designed already. The windows, you've seen the windows, the doors, the windshield come down. I showed you guys where the UBS cable is, so that you can charge your vehicle. Restart and stop. Also, yeah, excuse me. There's also, right here. Where is that? Right here, where you can switch it on and off. So, but now I'm turning it off. So there you have it, guys. This is the My Life as Animal Rescue Jeep Wrangler. So I thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Just continue. I'm going to keep posting more and more videos on different things that I have as they go on eBay. So you guys continue to look out for them. And thank y'all. You guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Until next time. God bless. See you there.